As you can see, this is the power supply that I have decided on. It's the Powerwerx 30 amp desktop switching power supply. I chose an option that had Powerpoles in the front, and it's called the SS-30DV. It outputs 25 amps continuous, 30 amps peak at 14.1 volts DC. It takes 100 to 240 volts. It's switchable for its input. And then it's got a 1/4 inch spinding post on the rear. So what we'll do is we'll open it up. Oh, sorry, the other dimensions are at 6 by 5 by 2.5 inches, so it's pretty small. And the reason I chose it is because it is pretty small. It will fit inside a go box, things of that nature, without too much trouble. It is somewhat, it's not overly heavy, but it's heavy compared to some other things. You also notice on the front here, label tells you to watch on the switch on the back, which you can see right here, is by default set to 230 volts, like this one here. If you're in America, obviously, or Canada, you want to be using the other one, but by default it's set for the right voltage here in Australia. So we'll take that off. There's the front. You can see the power poles there on the right. And if we turn it around, on the back there are your binding posts, obviously your power input, fan, and your voltage selector for incoming voltage type. Like I said, it outputs 14.1, but there is an option inside where you can tune that a little bit and adjust that, which is one of the reasons I chose it. There was other companies make ones that are adjustable. My concern was that having a knob on the front might make it prone to possibly being adjusted due to being bumped or by accident, and I didn't want to do that. So I went with this solution for now. There is a better version, for lack of a better word, of this called the SS-30DV, and I can show you a picture of what that looks like. That's this one right here. Sorry, there it is. And really nice. I like the display, and I like that it gives you all that information, but a little bit more expensive. And for this project, it's not something I need, but it may be something that I get later on. All right, now let's look at